Hi, welcome back to my channel on Hypnosis, NLP, Law of Attraction and Self-Development. I am Pradeep Aggarwal from Hyderabad, from Institute of Mind Control Development. Now my friend, there is a very special topic this time, how to develop confidence. Not develop confidence, how to be confident whenever you really need it. Now my friend, we all have been confident many times in the past, but the same confidence level is not available to us when we really need it. It happened with you? Yes, it happened with everybody. Now my friend, as you know, I have worked with the top level sportsmen, top level executives, and I help them to develop confidence, to have them a trigger for confidence, so that anytime they want to be confident, they can be instantly feel confident whenever they want, wherever they are, whatever situation they are. So do you want to learn how to do that? I'm sure you really want to learn that. So my friend, I have a question for you. If you just press these two fingers in your right hand like this, and instantly you will become confident. You feel confident. Will it help you? Just simply by pressing in your right hand this thumb and finger, you will instantly feel confident. If you have this trigger in your hand, think about it, how much it will help you. So my friend, if you really want this trigger now, watch the video. Thank you. Now before we go into the technique, which is very, very powerful, I am going to ask you one more thing, very important thing. If you are subscribed to our channel, if you are not subscribed, subscribe right now. Go to the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. And after watch this video, do the exercise and be confident. And then like and share with your friends. Now my friend, let me tell you about something very interesting about confidence. Confidence is a state of mind. We have been confident number of times in the past, maybe different situations. For example, you may be confident in doing certain works, but you may not have the same confidence when you want to give a speech or talk to the group of people or in a pressure situation. People come to me, sportsmen comes to me, a lot of top level sportsmen in India and abroad, they come to me. They have been playing superbly, confidently, but the same confidence level is not available to them when they're playing an important match, important tournament, or they feel nervous. Now, sometimes people have a fear of talking to opposite sex, that's fine. So when they are with them, they don't have any confidence. Sometimes they have a fear of public speaking. Somebody asks them to give a speech, they cannot talk. It is lack of confidence. Now my friend, confidence is a state of mind. It is already there in my mind, already stored. It is a state of mind. Now, how to utilize this? Now, you have been confident many times in your past in different situations, doesn't matter. Maybe playing a game, talking to your friends and doing something, you're very, very confident, but only the thing is the same confidence level is not available to you when you really need it. Now, my friend, a very powerful NLP technique which I am going to help you, because I help with this technique to a lot of my sportsmen and they become very successful. They're using this technique every time when they're playing and when there's an important point or important game or important match or giving a speech or giving an exam, giving an interview. Now, do you want that trigger? Do you want that confidence whenever you want it? So my friend, listen carefully. We all have been confident many times in your past. So, the important thing is, take a pen and pad and write down last 3 times you felt really confident. You did something really confidently and successfully. All these 3 things can be a different situation, different time, maybe yesterday, day before yesterday, a month, 6 months, year, and maybe early childhood, doesn't matter. Write down 3 times you were successful. Do it right now, stop the video and do it right now, and then come back. You have done it? I am sure you have already written down 3. Now the most important thing, listen carefully. As you have written down 3 situations in your past when you felt really confident. Now give them a number 1, 2 and 3. 1, you felt the most confident. 2, middle. 3, or the little less. But 3, all are 3 confident. Now when you pick up those situations in your life, remember the kind of situation you pick up, the kind of trigger you will make. So anytime you can fire the trigger and become confident, feel confident. So listen carefully. Are you ready now? Make sure nobody disturb you. Sit comfortably, close your eyes. Close your eyes right now. And now pick up the third one, that is a less confident compared to the other one. Now pick up the third one, and I want you to close your eyes and go back to the time when you felt really confident. That situation, the third one. Go back to the time, see what you saw, hear what you heard, feel what you felt, as if it is happening right now. Notice how you're feeling inside your body, how you're moving around, what thoughts were in your mind, what was your focus, how you were talking. And notice what kind of wonderful feeling you're feeling inside your body. Feel this wonderful feeling right now. Intensify this wonderful feeling. Feel that wonderful feeling moving up and down in your body. And then do one intensity. When the feeling is strong, intensify it. When the feeling is strong, make a trigger in your right hand with the thumb and index finger and press. And say the word in your mind, I am confident. Say in your mind, I am confident, and press a little hard. I am confident. Now release your trigger, open your, the thumb and trigger, and open your eyes and come back here now. Now watch me again. Now I ask you to press like this and say the word I am confident. Now do right now, take a deep breath and press and say I am confident, and press, and notice how good the confident feeling coming out of your body and mind. Now all depends on the kind of situation you picked up, the how you felt while doing the exercise. The better you felt, the better the trigger is. Now I ask you to do it. I ask you to recall, write down 3 situations, not 1 and 2, 3. So we'll do it 2 more times. We'll make this trigger more strong. How? Let me guide you. Close your eyes and take a deep breath again. That's right, and relax. Now go back to the number 2 situation which you written down. Go back in time in your past, that situation, and notice how you are feeling that time, what you are saying to yourself. See, hear and feel everything as if it is happening right now. Notice how you are feeling in your body. Notice how you are feeling in your mind. Notice what you are talking to yourself, how you are moving around, and how was the feeling inside your body. Now intensify this wonderful feeling, multiply it now. Feel this wonderful feeling moving up and down in your body faster and faster. Intensify, multiply it, and then make the same trigger again in your right hand by pressing the thumb and index finger and saying the word I am confident. I am confident. Do it now. That's right. And now open your fingers, release your trigger, open your eyes, look around and look at me again. Look at me here again. And now you've done it twice. Now last time, one more time we'll do the same technique. So close your eyes, take a deep breath and just relax. And now the strongest one, the number 1, the strongest one. Think about the time when you felt really confident. Think about the situation in your past. Go back to the time, see, hear and feel everything as if it is happening right now. Intensify this wonderful feeling, multiply it now. Feel that wonderful feeling moving up and down in your body. Faster and faster. Notice how you're moving that time, what you're thinking inside your mind, where was your focus, what you were talking to yourself, and how good was that wonderful feeling inside your body. Intensify, multiply this feeling. Feel that wonderful feeling moving up and down your body faster and faster. And now make the same trigger again with the same on your right hand, thumb and index finger. Press them tightly and say I am confident. Repeat in your mind, I am confident. Feel that wonderful feeling moving up and down your body now. Intensify it, multiply it. Now release your trigger. Open your eyes and look around. Open your eyes and come back, look around. So my friend, you have just created a powerful trigger. It's in NLP called anchoring, a very, very powerful tool. And now you have a trigger in your fingertips. Now we need to check whether it is working or not. Alright? So, just with your eyes open, press this right hand, thumb and finger together. Say mentally in your mind, I am confident. Or say it physically. Say it verbally. I am confident. Press and say I am confident. And as you do, you'll find the same confident feeling is coming all over your body and mind. You're feeling totally confident now. Repeat this word. That's right. You're feeling confident? Fantastic. You've done a wonderful job. Release your trigger and now look around and listen to me carefully. Now we have done only 3 situations. Now whenever you recall more, sit down, close your eyes and feel the feeling and make the trigger again. Make it stronger and stronger. So the more stronger it becomes, the better it is for you. So any situation, whenever you suddenly need more confidence, all you have to do is press this thumb and finger together and say I am confident mentally in your mind, and instantly this confidence will come over. Now you don't need to do this like in front of anybody. You can just put your hand in your pocket or your back on your side and just press and say, I am confident. And you will feel instantly confident. All the anxiety will be gone and you will be calm, focused and relaxed. So you can use this technique anytime you want. Only thing is, create this trigger and make this trigger more stronger by recalling more and more situations. Now when I do this exercise, somebody in the crowd, they come and tell me in my seminar, sir, I cannot recall any confident situation. Then what to do? Very good question. You may not recall, but do you know anybody who is confident? They say yes. Okay, go inside, close your eyes, go inside the body. Imagine you are that person and notice if you are that person, you are feeling confident, how you would have felt. Feel that feeling and make a trigger. Understand? A very, very powerful technique in anchoring. I use this technique in my workshop. I use this technique to all my sportsmen and they really become successful. Anchoring has lot of other advantage. I have given you a simple anchoring, but there may be different ways to create anchor on yourself so you become confident and positive. So my friend, do this exercise one more time, watch this video one more time and then practice this and then give me your feedback how much confidence you are feeling after making this trigger and how much you utilize it and how it works for you. So my friend, this is a very powerful technique. I use it all the time on myself. I use it on others also. If you really want to learn all these things, contact us, attend our workshop on NLP. If you are interested in hypnosis workshop, click on the link below. There is any workshop happening on hypnosis right now. Contact us, join us our workshop. You will learn a lot of hypnosis technique. In NLP workshop, you learn a lot of NLP technique, law of attraction, we have different things. And now we started doing some WhatsApp programs also. So WhatsApp program is, we send you lessons on your WhatsApp every day. If you are interested, click on the link below, contact us. If any workshop is happening, register immediately. So my friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal again. I am from Institute of Mind Control and Development, Hyderabad, India. I work with top level sportsmen. I started teaching hypnosis, learning hypnosis in 1972, started teaching in 77. I have a lot of videos, audios, ebooks available. In fact, I have 208 courses on udemy.com, a US company. 208 video courses. I have students in 170 countries. And I have more than 500,000 students all over the world. I'm looking forward to meeting you sometime personally, and I wish you all the success. Please use this technique, and if you really like it, forward it on your WhatsApp group or friends group or Facebook group so that more and more people can get advantage of it. So thank you very much and see you soon personally.